Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your LinkedIn account on your mobile device. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go into your mobile device and open up the LinkedIn application. Now from out here we want to go to the top left corner where your account profile appears, and here you can see the settings in the bottom of your screen. Now open up your settings, and once the settings load up, here you see the first option called Account Preferences. You simply open up the Account Preferences and here scroll all the way down till you see the Account Management. Now there are two options, the Hibernate account and Close account. Now the Hibernate account will actually deactivate your account. Now this means that it won't be visible for anyone on LinkedIn. But if you want to use LinkedIn again, you can sign into LinkedIn and activate your account. So it's temporarily deleted. Now the second option is Close account. This will permanently delete your account and it will never be back. Simply press continue. Here give a reason. Simply say other or have privacy concerns. And here, once you want to delete it, simply put in your password, and you can also unsubscribe from all the notifications from LinkedIn. Now, once you've done that, your account will be permanently deleted, and that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.